Hi guys, my name is Yavor from Brazil.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Ian and he's my dad. We are starting this channel. We're gonna make some recipes, some recipes. I don't know how to say that. And that's gonna be funny about the channel. We are no English speaking person. We speak Brazilian Portuguese, but we're gonna try our best to speak in English to make the recipe, I don't know. We're gonna do in English, but there are gonna be many words that we don't know, so we need to find out. So that's gonna be funny about the channel. And also another goal of the channel is to teach my dad a little bit of English. So yeah, that's the main purpose of the channel. Teach him English and teach you guys some recipes. Anyways, let's get started. We're gonna do chicken stroganoff. I think that's the way we say that. We usually eat that with white rice and not French fries. It's picnic. It's this. I don't know how to say that. Shoestring potatoes. That's it. We call batata palha. So I don't know what's this name. Anyways, welcome to our channel. Our channel is Dad and Son Recipes, and welcome to the channel.
Come on.
So we already have the chicken, 3 pounds. First you wanna make like little cubes like this. So we have the chicken. We're going to use some garlic. We're gonna use mushrooms, but you can do without it. You can add some corn, but we're not gonna do that. The classic Bertolli sauce, we're gonna use that. And we're going to use table cream. Now we're gonna season a little bit. Okay, so what is that? It is not a tablespoon. Dessert spoon? Yeah, a dessert spoon. We're gonna use some mustard, how much you want. Okay, that's it. Just a little bit. A little bit of ketchup. You put how much you want to. We're gonna cut some onions. We're not gonna put inside the chicken. We're gonna put on the fridge. For the onions, you're gonna put how much do you want to, how much you prefer. Some people do not like the taste and they put just a little bit. So that's up to you. The same for the garlic. That's it. Now we're gonna change to the oven right there and we're gonna start everything. So right here, we're gonna make the rice. We're gonna teach that in another video. We Brazilians eat everything with rice. So we're gonna make a separate video about that. For the chicken stroganoff, we're gonna put a little bit of butter. Just that. I have my oven right here on the maximum. Now the onions. We're gonna wait until it boils. Fry, yeah, until it fries. Okay, so we are almost on the point, like a golden color. That is the point that you want to get, like 2 or 3 minutes. Now we're gonna put the garlic and the scallions. Yeah, scallions. Okay, not now, sorry, my mistake.
Good.
Good. Smells good. Cheira bem. Smells good.
Smells good.
Smells good.
Good. Smells good.
Smells.
Eita. Smell good.
That's good enough. Put the 5 cheese and this one, vodka sauce. I like this a lot. It is not too spicy, you know? It's more soft. I prefer it that way. Here we have the table cream. It could be this one. This one we're gonna find on Walmart. This one, I think it's a Brazilian brand. I found on Brazilian Mart, like a Brazilian supermarket. Okay, it's almost done. And then we're gonna put the sauces. Okay, in the middle of the process, we're gonna put the scallions. It's now when you put the corn, if you want to. Okay, so we got to this point. The chicken got like a golden color. And that's when we're going to put the sauce. So a little bit of the 5 cheese. That for me personally, it's a stronger sauce. Then as I told you guys, we're gonna mix with this vodka sauce. But you can do with only the 5 cheese or only vodka sauce or whatever sauce you have right there and you wanna use it. Doesn't really matter. It's up to your taste. A little bit of the vodka one. It's on the medium right now. I'm gonna put a little bit of milk, just a little bit, don't need that much. You can do it even without milk, not gonna make a huge difference in the recipe. We're gonna put a little bit of sugar. Okay, and we have these mushrooms are right here. Mushrooms, that's it. Yeah, mushrooms. And I don't know the name of this. Parsley? That's parsley. I don't know, I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna leave on the screen. This is not cilantro, okay? We don't use cilantro, like never, right here. I think it's too strong. Here. Mushroom, yeah. What else? Yeah, you gotta cut the parsley. Now we're gonna separate the sour, I don't know if that's the correct name, the appropriate name, but like the liquid is inside table creams. It was on the fridge, so there's not much of it. Yes, that is. Take that, that's it. Now we have just the table cream without the sour. I don't even know if that's how you say that. I'm gonna find out and I'm gonna leave on the screen the liquid on the table cream. It is sour, I don't know. Can you guys see how it's a lot more dry than it was before when we put the sauces. Now to put the table cream, we're gonna turn it off. We're not going to turn that on again, nothing. We're gonna put those parsleys, something like that. And that's it, guys. That's all. As I told you, there's a lot of variations. You can do that with cilantro. I don't know if you like it. Corn, without mushrooms.
Cilantro no.
And that's it. That's coming to an end. Actually, that's the end. And it's still off. After you put the table cream, you turn it off and that's it. We have our stroganoff. That's it. That's the final result. It's looking pretty good, right? Now we're gonna do the rice, the white rice that we eat with everything, but we're gonna show that in another video that I'm gonna link in the description when it's done. So if you're watching this, we already done the recipe, it's gonna be in the description below. Okay, he's doing that just to make it look good. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's the final plate. Looks beautiful, right? Looks delicious. The white rice, we're gonna teach in another video. This is the mashed potatoes. No, not mashed. It's mashed. Okay, shoestring potatoes. That's it right here. Find that on Walmart. That's it. Okay, now let's eat it. This is the plate that looks good, and we do it like this. In reality, just do it like this. Like this, like this. And shoestring potatoes. And that's it. That's for the video, and that's how we do it. Good?
Good.
My mom's gonna taste it too. Good?
Very good.
Delicious? Very good. Amazing. Okay, so that's it for the recipe for today, guys. That's our first recipe. My dad and me. Again, my name is Ian. He's Yavor. So hit the like button.
I like button.
Hit
the like button.
Hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel. That's our first video. And comment right here what you think. If you already did it, slap the bell. He wants to say for you guys to slap the bell. So comment down here if you already did this recipe. If you did with our recipe, what do you think? And that's it. See you guys in another video.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Take care.